Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and the Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a coolant style heat exchanger. It can be either adapted to a White Magic or a CDS HydroMaster 4.7. It's a coolant style, so it's set up with 1.5 coupling stainless, and it's got the bushings for your barbed hose, 3/4 radiator hoses. As you can see, it's nicely TIG welded. It's really solid, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, so that in the event that you need a coolant heat exchanger, we can get one out to you. If you decided to use it for multiple post heaters or any type of heat exchanger application, it works well in all cases, even with exhaust. We've used these also as post heaters. If you wanted to buy more than one, of course, you're going to get a better deal as far as pricing. But it's got, the 3/8 mill pipe thread. It's all nicely TIG welded. It's got the flat bar at the bottom with the 3/8 for a little bit of swagger, so that if you're a little bit off on the holes, it helps in the alignment in having this open slotted 3/8. It's 3/16 thick stainless, so it's really works out really well. We sell a lot of these heat exchangers, and we also sell the Access Point heat exchangers as well. And we've been doing very well with this because we're supporting the industry with the highest quality heat exchangers and truck mounts in the industry. We're coming out with a lot of accessories. We're very busy, and we're happy to help you out in any way we can to save money. If you decide not to buy a truck mount, we'll sell you one of our great heaters. We also make headers for the larger Nissan type engines, as well as the small block Kohlers or Vanguards or Hondas, as well as many others. We just take a lot of pride in what we do. Excellent materials, all stainless. And if you're interested, call us today at 727-505-2989 and ask for Pete. Go to the truck mount store. It's 24/7 store. It's got a lot in there. And also another navigation up at the upper right-hand corner is our 2005 website, informational website since 2005. So watch for our new edition of the wash pan type of lid for our recovery systems. That's a new patent pending design that's coming out, and you'll be seeing it in the next videos ongoing, and we look forward to hearing from you. Truckmountstore.com 24/7, 727-505-2989. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.